Doing a lower ball joint on a 99 Mercedes E320. So I want to point this out. If you try and loosen this bolt without having this little bit in here, it'll just spin on you and it won't come out. So what I did is I took this little drill bit and came in a little pack like this. What I did is I cut it in half, cut this completely in half, and worked this little 1/4, I believe that is, Craftsman wrench in there. It's a little tiny one, and it doesn't fit full because it's too small right here, but position that wrench right here and it'll kind of hold on its own. And I'm using an adjustable wrench to work that bolt loose. As you can see, it works perfect without moving. But yeah, that's a little wrench right there. So I can pull it out and show you. Yep, and that's a little space where that drill bit now fits. Once I get this loose, I'll continue with the video.